2 turned into the 3. And I'll show y'all exactly what I'm talking about when it's time to take this thing to where we gotta take this thing. And yeah, it's super loud. Alright, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. So I had a blowout last night doing about, I'm not gonna say, trying to make it home. And yeah, like, I controlled it good. I ain't gonna lie, I did some Vin Diesel stuff, like some Fast and Furious Vin Diesel stuff, because the tire shredded. I heard it, man. A young boy put it in, slapped that thing in fifth, and just. So, as I was telling you guys earlier, like the entire walls off of this. This looks like a motorcycle tire right now. So we got a Stilly. It's gonna go on here. Till further notice. Oh look, kids are coming, pulling up. Just going on there for the time being. And I'm gonna test it out too, because you know that's what you're supposed to do with your tires. I'm not gonna burn up with it, but I am going to test it out. Make sure the ride's good. But yeah, this thing is finito. Like finito. If your tires don't look like this when they do, you're not doing it right. Right, this was not on purpose, but still. Sheesh. Trying not to cut myself. That's a kid's cool. Oh. Kids is here. So, let me put the starter on and then I'll catch y'all in a second. It was probably YouTube. So, yeah. Y'all tell me if y'all notice anything different with this startup. And I'm only let y'all do a startup because it ain't no point of me driving this car and recording right now. Just, and then I'll explain to y'all what's going on when we get to the house. Get it? Oh yeah, and another thing is, I think since I messed with the battery, it's not really letting me do too much. Like, what's going on? Like, it had me and my wife stuck earlier. And I had to do the same exact thing. Wasn't going fast enough. Alright y'all, so I'll just give y'all a running portion of the car. So give me a second. So do y'all notice the difference? I'll explain. Alright y'all. So I have no window in my exhaust system. And you know what it is. So I decided to take a little trip. Exhaust. so we didn't got a little rinse off. It's not as dusty. Got some of the rust off the damn tire, so we looking like something, I guess. But yeah, so that's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. I know I didn't give y'all a ride along last video. Well, the first part of the video, so I have to give y'all a ride along this time. Horsepower wise, it's not really taking no power, but it's just loud as hell. So I'm forced to drive a little different. But that's okay. That's A. And I didn't get nothing on the inside wet. Hey. So yeah. You gotta love that. That's 90s, baby. But yeah. So that's the situation. It's not bad. It's running good. Yeah. Now I gotta get some more speakers. But before I get more speakers, of course I'm gonna fix the exhaust. So, but yeah, this is, if y'all don't follow me on IG, I haven't seen it yet. But this is my little setup, my little Bluetooth thing, charger. So yeah, little pimples. But not much really for this video. Just know I'm not about to post for a couple days. This weekend I'm going somewhere. Wasn't planned, but I'm going somewhere this weekend. So y'all won't see me till this weekend, but I promise I'll post today. What's today? Tuesday. Okay, I might post today and tomorrow, but after tomorrow, I for surely won't be posting. So yeah. Like that. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells. And we about to be out of this thing. Yiddy. Oh yeah. To end this particular video, this is not a radio. This is what the car came with. This is what my Honda came with. No, this is not a radio. This is display. As you can tell, they don't have no freaking back. Yeah. Good wiring though. Thank you for the wiring. Chip. But yeah. Thank you for the wiring. But now it's time to edit this video, get it out there, and do something with this hair. But now I'm done. Life Avante. Like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications bell. Follow me on IG at The Life Avante and Devontae Davis on Facebook. And we out of this thing. Yeah.